scroll through travel blogs and think it would be great to live like that? Not just visit for a week, but actually move there and keep working your job? Well, that's possible with something called a digital nomad visa. Hey everyone! Today, I'll explain you what it is, who can get it, and how you can apply to start working remotely from another country. So, what is a digital nomad visa? It's a special visa that lets you live in another country while working remotely for your current employers or your clients. You don't need to quit your job or start a new business there. You keep doing your work but stay in that country legally, usually for a year or more. It's good for freelancers, consultants, or anyone whose work doesn't need them to be in a specific office. So, how do you qualify for it? It's pretty simple. Most countries want to see a few things. First, you should be over 18 years old. Second, you should have a steady income. The amount usually depends on the country, but it is often around $2,000 or more per month. And third, your job must be fully remote, meaning you can work from anywhere. You will usually also need to have a health insurance that works in the country you want to stay in. Some countries ask for a clean criminal record too. So make sure you get a police clearance if needed. Applying might sound hard, but it's actually very easy. Here's what you need to do. First, fill out the application form for the country you want to live in. Second, book an appointment at their embassy or consulate. And third, prepare your documents like passport, proof of income, health insurance, work contract, and some ID photos. And submit your application. Depending on the country, you may also need to show proof of accommodation or maybe even a return ticket. Then you wait to hear back. Different countries might ask for different documents, so check carefully before you apply. Now, why are digital nomad visas so popular? Because they let you work and travel without the usual problems of tourist visas like short stays or no work permissions. Most countries offering these have good internet and facilities for remote workers. Some of the popular ones include Spain, Portugal, Barbados, and many more. Plus, many places have groups of digital nomads where you can meet new people and even find work there. Living this way means waking up in new places, enjoying nice views, and working on your own schedules. Many countries with these visas have lower living costs, so your money goes further. It's just not about work, but about living and working in a way that feels balanced. If you have a laptop and a job you can do from anywhere, a digital nomad visa could be your way to see the world without stopping your career. For more simple tips and updates about working and living abroad, subscribe and follow along.